a Nigerian, you don't need a VPN to set up an account on Airtm, as it allows you to open a verified dollar account that can send and receive funds all over 190 countries around the whole world. One of the most common systems which Nigerians use to receive funds from any part of the world is PayPal. And right now, it is a very big issue in Nigeria to create an account on PayPal currently that can send and receive funds. One thing a lot of people don't know is that those platforms that pays you in PayPal also have options for Airtm. Okay, once you are able to have a verified account, you will be able to place a withdrawal via those platforms. And we found PayPal as one of the greatest ways which we can use to retrieve our funds straight to our Nigerian bank account, which is not supposed to be so. In this video, I'm going to show you how Airtm works, how you can actually use your dollar account to send and receive funds in any part of the country you are. As an affiliate marketer that receives funds from all over the world, you can actually use this as a means of withdrawal straight to your Nigerian bank account. Airtm is a game changer in the digital payment. Now, what exactly is Airtm? Airtm is actually a digital dollar bank that allows you to send and receive funds straight to your dollar account. Then from your dollar account, you can now send these funds into your Nigeria bank account. And you can create an account using just your smartphone. Meanwhile, before I show you how to create a verified Airtm account, if you're new to my channel, I want to say very welcome to my channel. My name is Joaquin, and on this channel, I share with you ways you can earn funds and withdraw your earnings on the digital space. If this sounds like channel you're interested in, please drop a like, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch. You can as well join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel, and my WhatsApp group. You can find the links below the description of this video. So without no much talk, let's dive into the screen so I can show you how you can create a verified Airtm account.
Now, the very first thing you want to do is to go below the description and click the first link. So once you click the first link, it's going to take you over to this page. When you come over to this page, you just have to click on this and select your country. You can either go for a business account or a personal account, just like the way we have it on paper. But if you're going for a business account, you are going to be providing some documents. So I'm going for the personal account. Then we click on continue. Okay, now you can either sign in with your Google account, your Facebook account, or any of the options they have right here. So right now I'm going to sign up with my email address. Okay, so I'm going to go over to put my email address, then come over here to input my password. And mind you, if you're inputting a password, make sure it has a number, a letter, and also a special character. Okay, so you now come over here to confirm your password. Okay, then you come over here to input your first name and make sure you're putting a name that tallies with your documents. Okay, in inputting all these names, make sure it tallies with your valid ID card. So right now they're asking for a second last name, which is optional. You can either leave that is optional. You can now come here and click to verify. Okay, so it's going to verify, and you can now drag this to this point to verify your account. Okay, so verification is successful. Then you can now hit on create account. So right now you can see welcome to Airtm. To get started, confirm your email by clicking on the link that was sent to you by email. So I just have to go back to my email address and confirm this account. Right now you can see the message sent to us by Airtm. Okay, so we just have to confirm this email address. You can choose to download the app or continue with web. Okay, now we've confirmed our email address. The next thing we need to do is to fill out all this space and create our account. If you have a third name, you can put the third name here, because your name must match your issued ID card. So now I've inputted my third name here. Then I'm going over to input my address. Okay, so the second address is also optional. Then my city, you just have to put the city, Nigeria, states, Lagos State, then postcode. So I'm going to input my postcode over here. then put in my mobile number. All these details, you must fill out all these details to continue. So now you need to input your date of birth. All this must match your ID card. Okay, so after filling out all this information, you just have to come down here and click on complete registration. So right now they said account setup is 1/4. Upload a profile picture. So you can go ahead to upload a profile picture on this account. And so to upload a profile picture, you just have to click on this camera icon over here to add a profile picture. But adding a profile picture is not compulsory. Now they said claim your invite reward, complete 3 acts of at least $5 each, and verify your identity to earn $3. Okay, so right now I'm going ahead to click on verify. So now they said your wallet is not verified. Verify your identity to access additional payment method, higher limit. You are currently limited to 1000 USD. So you just need to click on verify document now. So now you need to begin your verification. Right now they ask what country is your government ID from. So it's Nigeria. So we click on continue. So these are options you can use to upload a valid ID. Either use your driver's license, your passport, your national ID or voter's card. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using my national ID. Okay, right now they are asking to take a clear photo of the front of your government ID. So I'm going to do this and I will get back to us right now. So what I did was that I was asked to snap the front and the back of my valid ID, which I did. And later on, I was asked for a face verification, which I did. Now they said, congratulations, you are done. Your submitted information is under review. We will contact you promptly. And currently now, I got a message from them that it has been verified. So if you verify your account, instantly, you're going to be getting a feedback from them. So right now, we just have to click on back to ATM. So right now, you can see they said your wallet is verified. Enhanced verification. You can currently send and withdraw up to $25,000 in total. Once you reach this amount, you will need enhanced verification. If your account meets the requirement, you must first have an accumulated send and withdraw volume of at least $1,000, and then write to us at support@atm.com and attach a photo of both sides of any current ID, either with which you did with your verification or different one. We will contact you within the next 48 hours. So now our wallet is verified. Let me now show you how to send and receive funds using this ATM. So this is how your dashboard is gonna look like. You can see how ATM works. We connect you to over 500 payment methods. So when you slide this, you can see you have add funds, you have send and receive funds. You can see you can withdraw funds. And so to add fund on this, you just need to click on add. So once you click on add fund, you can see they said ATM, you can add funds using one of our 500 payment methods. You just need to come down here and click on start now. So you can see different means you can use to add funds to your account. So right now, for the purpose of this video, I'm going to click on Nigeria. So they are asking how much do you want to send, and the minimum you can add to your account is 4,472 naira. Okay, so just come over here to add maybe 5,000 naira. Okay, now this is the amount you'll be receiving on your dollar account on ATM. So once you add this 5,000 naira into your account as in naira, this is what you'll be getting on your ATM account. You'll be getting $2.80 on your account right now. For instance, when you want to add 5,000 naira on your dollar account, you'll be getting 2.80 cents. As you can see, in less than 3 minutes, you'll be getting $2.80 on your ATM account. So you just need to come over here and click on continue. So right now you're going to input the bank name and fill out all these details. As you can see, they said you will send from Nigeria Bank 5,000. So over here, 5,000 naira will be deposited to this account. On your ATM account, you'll be getting $2.80. As you can see over here, then you just come down here to configure payments. Okay, once you've clicked on that, in less than some minutes, you'll be seeing this fund directly into your ATM account. So once you've done the payment, in less than no time, you'll be seeing the 5,000 naira as in dollar on your dollar account on ATM. And on your dollar account on ATM, you'll be getting $2.80 straight into your dollar account on ATM. So right now, to place a withdrawal on this account, after you might have received funds to this account, to place a withdrawal, you just need to click on withdraw. Right over here, they said convert your USDC to your local currency or crypto using our P2P network directly from ATM to your payment method. You just need to click on start now. So as a Nigerian, as you want to withdraw your fund, you just need to tap on this P2P. Okay, so right now they are asking how much do you want to withdraw. You can come over here to change this to any of the amounts you want to withdraw. Maybe you have $5. Okay, so in turn of that $5, you'll be getting 7,000 naira to your Nigerian account. So you just come down here and click on continue. But I don't have fund on this account, so I'm unable to withdraw right now. So this is the method you can use to withdraw funds out from your ATM account. So you can see that the options here are to add funds, withdraw, send requests, transfer to USD, pay local, and auto withdrawals. So this ATM account is verified to send funds and receive funds all over 190 countries in the world, just like the way you do on PayPal. You can actually use this as an alternative to PayPal, as it allows you have a dollar account that can send and receive funds all over the world. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please do well to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. You can as well join my social media platforms, my Telegram channel, and my WhatsApp group, where I share some specific ways you can use to earn online. And if you have any question regarding this video, please feel free to drop them below the comment box on this video.